Alrighty guys, welcome back. So today we are currently out here in the driveway, and I'd recently put on, with the help of one of my buddies, this is my buddy's truck right here. This is was it an 07? Yeah. Yep. 07 Nissan Titan. And we went ahead and installed some rock lights on them. We went ahead and did one there, one here, and one here, and same on the other side. And during the process, now I'm making this video because during the process it was a little bit tricky trying to figure out exactly where to run the wires through. So we decided to go on, there's two different holes down there that you can run wires through, but we used the one with the easiest access. And yeah, this is the only wire that's showing, and we went ahead and ran it up and through here. I believe, yeah, there it is, up to this rock light switch right here. So that's all the rock lights come with, is just a switch. And it also comes with its own fuse, and that is now back behind there. Yeah, there's just a hole that goes up through there, and that's where we ran our two power wire and our control switch through. And yeah, it's really just that easy. So yeah, it's just a hole right under there that you can run your two power wire and your control switch wire through. And there's also another hole on the passenger side down there a little bit that you can try to push wires through. Oh no, it's a little tight, but that's like for subwoofer, amp wire, stuff like that. And I already went over mine in a previous video. Mine was pretty much just ran under this and under the carpet. Went through a little grommet right here. So that's all we did. At the same time, I went ahead and drilled in my rock lights the proper way, because if you guys remember, I didn't have a drill the first time I put them in. So I'd really just like zip tie them up through previous holes that are already in here. And this is the only way I could really run the wire, like the cleanest I could. It's really not that bad. And I'd previously had like a bunch of my power wire, because I'd had a little bit too much power wire, positive and negative wire. So I went ahead and cut them down to the right size, ran them up behind the frame. And this is the only visible power wire we have right here. I'm gonna go ahead and hide it under the frame with some tape and stuff a little bit more eventually. I went ahead and also moved from one rock light. I had one here and one there. I went ahead and did one here, one there, and then one in each wheel well. So, and also pretty convenient. These are both the exact same rock lights, but pretty convenient. I don't think I showed it in the last video. It also comes with one of these right here, along with the just switch. Comes with something you can put on your keychain, and D changes the colors. You can go through all the colors, and also there's an app on your phone. You want to get out your phone real quick, Alex? I'm just showing the app. I don't know if it's already connected or not. Yeah, so on top of, if you don't want to get the app on your phone, and all it's called is Smart Life right here. And pretty much, I don't know if it'll automatically connect. You have your color wheel. You can also make them white automatically. So you can make them white, and you can also scroll back to, well, I don't know why it's doing that. All right, there you go. And you can also scroll through the color wheel a little bit. And you can also control the brightness from the app right there. So they're pretty neat. They are, where are they? They're $55 on Amazon. Yeah. I'll put a link to them down below in the description. More on the keychain here, you can just hit these and it'll switch through them for you. And you can also get like to party mode. I believe that's party mode. So it goes pretty quick. B is for your brightness. So if I go ahead and set it to color, you can go ahead and turn them down, turn them back up, and then A turns them on and off. So it's really that simple. And yeah, we just ran the wires the same way I did mine up against the frame. And I wish I would have made a video on like the whole process of it, because what we did was we had drilled them in with, so what we did was we laid them all out, we unplugged them, we drilled them all in, and then we ran the wires up against the frame. Then we took like the little control box thing, we zip tied up to the frame there, and we plugged them all in one by one. We made sure they were all like towards the frame, and then we went ahead and ran the wires from, you have to start inside the cab with your power wire, positive and negative, and we went ahead and ran it through here. And we made sure to, because there really wasn't enough wire, we would have had enough wire from the beginning with what we just had what it came with if we went through that one, but that one was a little bit tight to get the control wire through too. So we just went ahead and ran through this one. And we had bought some extra power wire, positive negative wire, to run across here and put up under there, so it's out of the way. And yeah, then we put the connectors on the battery, and now here they are. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys do think of them, and leave a like on today's video if you did enjoy them. This is them on white, I believe, and I don't know, I'd say they look pretty good. Mine are just on red. Yeah, there's a lot you can do with these. You can change the scenes and stuff on your phone, so you can make them fade in and out and flash and stuff. Just do remember, guys, in some states, driving with them on red or blue, even if they're just solid colors and not flash or anything, is illegal. Any flashing color, I believe, is illegal. If they fade in and out, I hear that's fine, but yeah, so that's it for the 07 Nissan Titan and my 2000 Ford Excursion and their rock lights. So we're gonna go ahead and get some pictures. This is really it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, and subscribe if you're new and not already. At that, I want to catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.